Television back with a new episode about Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. I'm Hayden, and I will be explaining what is going on. So, if we check the market cap right now, we refresh, you'll notice that I want to say maybe 3 or 4 days ago when we were going over how much money was in cap, we are now at almost $500 billion, which is an increase in 200. Bitcoin has finally broken the $10,000 range. Now, to most people, that is a big number. The reason being is when you hear $10,000 Bitcoin, that's a lot to think about. So to actually have it break past that, it's like this mental barrier that's been broken. And now getting to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all the way up to $20,000, it doesn't seem like much. A $17,000 compared to a $9,000 Bitcoin. The double digit makes a big difference in the mind. Secondly, Ethereum almost back to $1,000. Litecoin up 5% on the day. We've been having a lot of up days, which is very trend. Up 5%, 223, and I wanted to talk about that right now. So if you notice, we hit this line of resistance at 212. Huge line for Litecoin. But if you notice, we finally popped through, so I can probably show you what happened on the hourly. Yeah, this is a better view. You'll notice we popped up, and then we came up onto this trend, upward trend, building our pressure, boiling, and then boom, we popped. Floated on this new, what do you call it? Sorry, brain fart. Line of support. It hung out on this line of support now. Instead of being a line of resistance, it now acted as support for us. And unfortunately, we fell under slightly, but we are now going back up. So if I go back to the 4-hour, you'll notice that we had this huge candle, and then we shot back up, which means the bulls are taking over once again. And if you'll notice, this acted as a line of support for us. Now we seem to be making some type of doji spinning top. Not a spinning top, sorry. I forgot the exact name for it. An uptrend, which is nice to see. It's called, a reversal candle. That's what this is. It's showing you how far the bears pulled it down, and now we're going upwards, which is showing you the bears are stronger. So we'll probably see, I think it's called a cross, a doji cross, which is what that symbolizes. But it's nice to see that we are back above this line of support now. So I do expect to see a $300 Bitcoin Litecoin in the very near future. So definitely hold, you have it, and buying more and holding on to it, as well as buying more if you have that spare money laying around. I would definitely suggest buying more because we are starting a new uptrend. You'll notice that this is our line of resistance right here that we have trouble going over, but you'll notice we are now above that and are probably going to maybe consolidate here, if not blast off, and then we'll have to face the $240 range, which is another huge line for Litecoin. But honestly, I can see us blasting past this very soon. The climb will be very easy, and then we'll see how much higher we can go on the charts. But I could definitely see us reattempting our all-time high, which was around 425-ish. But you'll definitely notice that we had a huge run back up. We're definitely all-time high, which is awesome. To step that we're gonna have in Litecoin is attempting to break the 240 range. I'll have a lot more confidence, but this was a very predictable dip. So just go from our pretty much $240 range, 238, all the way down to, that was literally only a day. You can notice that we've blasted past the middle moving average, and you'll notice the sign is, like I mentioned, the green line in the middle moving average has crossed over the red line, which is an indicator of a bullish pattern, which you'll notice is exactly what has happened with Litecoin. You'll also notice that we're finally coming back down into the purple. Hold some support and level off, because this is just an unattainable high. Like, it's not
a thing that can be supported. It needs to come back down ever so slightly, go back higher. So you'll notice that we did retest we did come back down to consolidate, and now we seem to be moving back up. And what I'm noticing is some type of upward trend on the RSI too. Let's see if it will allow me to draw it out. Something like that looks pretty nice. You could probably draw one lower, more like something like this. I don't know why this is lagging on me. Something along the lines like that, which I'm not sure. But this looks a little more like it to me, which is nice to see. So I think we're going to bounce right off this and go higher up. Probably retesting 250, definitely the 240 range for sure, and I think we'll blast past that very easily. You'll notice on the daily we are around, we aren't even oversold yet, so that's very nice to see, only 60, so definitely have more potential to go much higher, which is very, very, very nice to see. You'll notice that we've gone plenty high, so we definitely have the potential to get up higher. So keep an eye on Litecoin. Definitely invest more. Financial advisor is something I would recommend people do. But definitely I can see Litecoin hitting 2 range, if not going higher to the 255 range, because that will be the next line of resistance. Yes, indeed. 250. So I could definitely see us shooting up to the coin. You'll notice that we've literally just been chilling on this uptrend that we have, which is notice that the middle moving average, the green, has crossed over the red, which is an indicator of a bullish movement. You'll notice we are forming a doji cross right now, which is another symbol of a reversal, I believe. Not too sure, so we might, I'm not sure how that one works. I'm going to have to study that, but we might continue up. I do think we may come pulled back down. But as for right now, it is noticed that I believe a bull candle, a doji cross have won the uptrend, and we will start to see a reversal. That's usually an indicator of a reversal, so we'll continue up higher following this new formed uptrend line, which is very nice. Bitcoin going much higher. Not sure where there is new resistance, maybe where we're at right now, yeah, is most likely a line of resistance. You'll notice that's why we're having trouble right now. This would be considered the new line of resistance that we are retesting. You'll notice we've hit it numerous times here and bounced off it here to act as support and then had trouble. So this is we're definitely retesting a line of resistance right now. If we can break through that, I'd buy in if you want to do a swing trade, because we should go up very much so right after breaking this resistance level, because then it will act as support, which is what Bitcoin really needs. As for Ethereum, again, you'll notice the middle moving average has crossed, the green line has crossed the, hold that thought. You'll notice the middle moving average has crossed over, the green has crossed over the red, which is an indicator of a bullish movement, like I said. So I can definitely see Ethereum is going to probably chill along this line, consolidate a little more, because it's definitely getting a lot of downwards pressure from this downtrend. We'll see what happens. I do think all these coins are bound to go up because they are the big name 3, and there is a lot of new stuff in the market which I wanted to read to you that is happening. I just got to find the message. Hold on one second. So I want to shout out a person called Steve Mazoski who commented on my previous video, and I just wanted to read to everyone what is actually going on very soon in the cryptocurrency industry, I guess you could call it, the cryptocurrency. I'm just going to read off what he wrote in the comment. It says, a lot of adoption news in the next few weeks, which is very good news, so we can definitely... Known Brazilian web hosting companies is now the largest exchange. ZebPay added Litecoin. If Arizona passed the proposed bill that would allow with cryptocurrency, Litecoin would be one of the recognized cryptocurrencies, according to the Cointelegraph. And the release of the next, as Charlie Lee declared in his tweet, accepting Litecoin, Bitflyer, that well-known Japanese exchange, which was approved in Europe, will soon add Litecoin to Euro as a trading pair, crypto buyer and exchange known in Venezuela is now using coffee place, created a cryptocurrency trader, which is now accepting Litecoin as well as Ethereum. So a lot of new news being included for a nice breakout in very all-time highs for Litecoin, which will be nice. Out of the top 5 coins, Litecoin has a 2 billion volume, like impeccable. I can't even wrap my mind around it. That is high as Bitcoin Cash and double what volume is being used in Ripple. That's absolutely phenomenal. That's literally telling you that Litecoin is going to be the third on the coin, because that's just phenomenal. It's just huge potential. I think the coin is crazy undervalued and needs to be much higher. So if you notice, if we click on the 7-day, you'll notice a huge spike in the volume of Litecoin. We had as much as almost $2.75 billion, I believe. $2.75 billion being traded throughout, slowly consolidating down to 2 billion. We're going to see another huge surge in Litecoin. So definitely hodl, buy more if you can. And just in that, I will see you guys later. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions, comments, anything. I'd love to. I always try and react, like anything that you guys comment, if it's positive mostly. But other than that,